So to imitate the sound of the mbira feather, they started applying a technique that we call muting. I want you to listen to the difference between this melody and so you can tell there's a difference between the two styles. The other one is now muted. How you get that sound is you put your hand on the bridge. The further you get into the neck, the more difficult it becomes. Yeah, so basically that's how they came up with the style, and now the style is all over Zimbabwe. And so right now I'm going to do a track that was done by Thomas Mafumu, and he incorporated some Mbende drumming, some Jerusalem, and it's called Muramadoro.